family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. Today is a very special day because hubby is going to go and get his hair cut. He's been growing his hair out for over 2.5 years, and his plan was to grow it out and give it to a kid in need. So we decided to go with wigs for kids. So we are bringing you guys along. Hey, Mrs. Zainchuk.
Hi, family.
Are you showing the length?
My length check.
Let's check. Like the bees.
It ends today.
Oh, are you excited or are you
Very
excited?
good asleep.
So, come along.
Then the destination is on your right.
Therapy salon. You see it? Hey, they got Moe's.
Where is
Look
it?
for Moe's. Right there. No? Yeah, therapy. The hair salon.
Hair.
Therapy. Yeah, there's a rubbish can.
So what about you today, Brian Zainchuk? Or about you? So before we cut it all out, I just want to show you guys the actual length of his hair for you guys to get a closer look of how long it is and how healthy it is looking. And I also just needed to run my fingers through it for the last time and forever. I need to asking if he's gonna plan to grow his hair out again. And I needed him to give us that flip.
Of children that they can't grow hair, they're going through cancer treatments, chemo treatments, and it's just for me to be able to donate and do something like that. Yes.
It's very cool.
Kind of cool to sell yourself, but some people don't want to. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, let me.
This is the time we all go. I am not my hair.
Okay, family. So for anyone that's interested in also donating your hair as well, there's a few things that you need to keep in mind. Number one, the hair cannot be damp. You definitely do not want to have damp hair whenever you're putting in the Ziploc bag. Put it in a Ziploc baggie after she's done with the cutting the ponytail.
Yeah.
So damp hair is a huge no-no because it can get moldy whenever you're mailing it into wigs for kids. Another thing is you don't want to have colored hair. Colored hair damages your hair, perm in your hair, anything that damages it.
Yes.
And you might be asking the question, what length? At least the bare minimum 12 inches, but they recommend 14 in order for it to really make a really proper wig for the child.
So, sweetheart, why did you choose to go with wigs for kids?
Well, the name says it all. It's wigs. You're donating the hair for a child. It goes straight as a straight up donation. It goes straight for a child that's in need of hair. They don't try to sell the hair,
Which is amazing.
right? And because you can make a lot of money off of selling your hair if you wanted to do that. But this is a donation for a child in need. You can, if you don't have hair to donate, you can even do monetary donations as well. It's very expensive to create these wigs.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, they're
So-
not a cheap thing.
Yeah, so we can also add some money into it to help them to create the wig. And we are also hoping that the kid that they are going to give that wig to, if they can send us a picture of the kid.
Yep,
So
I'd like
what
to
if
see
the-
my hair
Yes,
on
me
a happy
too.
little
I would
smiling
love
face.
to
That'd be
see
great.
that.
If you wanted to, you can also, whenever you turn in the hair, you can choose to make it anonymous. I could have even left it here with the ambassador, the Wigs for Kids ambassador, the lady that's cutting my hair, and she would have sent it off. But I wanted to go through the whole process and see what it's like, as far as, if I can see the child with the hair, I can see the wig. And I wanted to see it at least one time.
Yes, me too. I would love to. Now, the next thing for us to do, we brought the hair home. We're now going to go online, fill the form up, and that's something we don't know how it's going to be like. So it's going to be a try and error. Yes, our robot just came in to clean the room, so we have to finish this up quick.
Right? That really hurt.
Can we see you here? Turn around, let's see the back. So that's how hubby hair is looking now. Okay, Mrs. Zainchuk, so what do you plan to do with your hair going forward? Do you plan to grow it out again and to knit it to a kitty need? Or you plan on wearing it short for a while? What's your plan?
And it'll be short, at least for this summer. And then we'll see how things go with the donation process. After that, if I see what I want to see and I get to see that it goes to a good cause, then I definitely would look into probably growing it back out again and donate it once again. Because it doesn't take me long to grow this hair, believe it or not. Especially when I throw a little bit of the Secrets oil in there on it as well. It grows like crazy, like wildfire. If you love this video, please put a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yes, and subscribe. Sorry.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.